and I have interest in this
Keep your interest
area.
for yourself.
So Warmington is at it again. Yeah, this probably come like is a regular thing with Warmington. So that is why I'm gonna ask a question. But before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. I want to create a community of well thinkers and I want you, yes you, to be a part of that community. And again, if you feel like I'm only representing one specific party, nobody has to follow me because you're gonna be disappointed. But people, why is Warmington still in politics? Why is Warmington still representing the Jamaican people? I've never heard anything good about this man. So based on the video I'm going to clip, I'm just going to clip a very small snippet so you can go and look for this video yourself. I was trying to find when this happened, but I'm not sure. And at the end of the day, it really no matter kind of supposed to happen at all. This gentleman was following him. Apparently he's saying that this gentleman is a PMP member, supporter, and a PMP councilman. My thing is, this man is saying, I'm not here in the capacity as a PMP councilman, I'm here in the capacity as a civilian. And even if he was not here in the capacity as a civilian, as long as he doesn't pose a threat to your safety, I do not see what the problem is. You're going to tell the man to keep his interest to himself? The man is saying he's a civilian, so whatever is being done by them is of interest to him? And you're saying to keep his interest to himself? People, again, why is Warmington still representing our country? Why is Warmington still representing our people? I've never heard anything good about him. Maybe you have, and if you have, please to enlighten me. But why is he still a member of parliament? Who has secret for him, or who him have secret for? Because at this point, he not add up. This man is problematic. Problem after problem after problem at this point. His name should be trouble problem. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?